Alright guys, so right now I'm just got out of work and I'm going to get the bedliner done. Oh shit, I almost forgot. I'm going to get the bedliner done, and right now I stopped by at Purdy's because I'm going to pressure wash it because I'm a freaking mess back there. I haven't washed this truck in over like 3-4 months in summer since it was at the shop. So yeah, I'm going to work on that, and then I'm going to take it over to the shop, and their new shop actually, and then yeah. Ya llegó mi carnal.
Relajado ando todo el tiempo, tirando el humo siempre para el viento. La hierba me pone el apoyo y los contactos, porque con una moneda no se resuelve la vida, hay que seguir chambeando. Puro rumbo, baby.
Here we are with my brother. We just got done doing this side of the line for the bed, and we're getting ready to do the other side. we have masked the truck now, and we are ready, getting ready to wipe it down with the lacquer thinner to degrease all the grease that can possibly be there. This just helps the life
product?
of
The product stick
of
to
the
stick
product.
better.
Here's the final product. My brother is done putting on the bed liner. He had to cut back for shop roll. We can't film while spraying the product.
The final product.
The final product, he says. He's getting ready to put some rust removal or rust treatment on the floorboard. You see, as you can see, it's got a couple of rust spots. So I'll film him from a little behind, and so you guys can kind of see what he's doing. There he is. It'll take then some of the rust off. And like I said, here's the final product of the bed liner.
It's been a couple days since I got the truck back. It's been raining a lot, so I haven't been able to show you guys the final product, but it came out freaking badass. Guys did a really good job. Came out nice. My brother even took his Jeep to get some work done by them too, because that's how nice it came out. He got the floor all bed lined, and then you know that Jeeps have come with that white hardtop. He had that painted black. It looks pretty nice too. And yeah, let me show you guys how it came out. came out nice. Fucking loved it. Follow the body line. The line's nice and straight. But yeah, that's how it came out. Came out nice. So yeah, make sure you guys go follow them. If you guys want any work done, definitely recommend them. They get down. And make sure you like, comment, and share the video, please.